everybody. We have a new incoming vehicle. This is a 1930 Ford pickup truck. Has collision damage to the front end. As you can see here, this fender will probably have to be repaired. I don't see anything structural on this. That front bumper there probably have to be fabricated. It unbolts from here. Nothing structural, not into the suspension. Frame looks good right there, but unbolts right there. Pretty sure you could find one on eBay. Grill looks good. Headlight lens needs to be replaced. All the wheels are sitting in place. Looks like it's been recently restored. It does run, it does drive. Take a look under the hood. Actually, take a look at the frame rail again. Looks good here. Fender's damaged up to there. You probably have to shape that out. Good steel guy, good body guy can fix that. Take a look under the hood. Pretty good shape. Everything looks redone. They restored this soup to nuts. Take a look inside. Look over the roof. And everything looks good in here. Not much to see. Got a radio, got some dials, got some gauges, leather seat. Crank windows. Some of you might not know what those are. Young guys out there. Post on the website soon. Thanks for watching.